As a young man growing up in the San Francisco in the Mission District, I experienced a lot of injustices being done by the police and the system in general. In fact, I became prey of some of that, and that drove me and inspired me. I've been practicing for 16 years now. I'd like to think that I have reached the point where we feel comfortable in the courtroom, we know what we're doing, and I can walk into a federal or a state courtroom without problems. I also, on the other hand, make sure that I read every decision that comes out, every case that is published, so that I know and I'm on top of the law and I know it better than anyone else in the court. When I take on a client, communication is the utmost importance. I make sure that I connect with them. The first step that I do when I take on or sign on a client in our office is I make sure that I get to know them. I want to know who they are, what makes them tick, why they're here, what has happened in their life. And we begin to build a relationship that will coexist throughout the case, and it is extremely beneficial in defending that person later on. The type of clients that we take on are a wide range, from basically the person who gets a traffic ticket going through a red light camera to the person who's accused for assault and battery. In essence, we have such a wide range of clients because of our ability to connect with just about anyone and address them and take on their problems as if though they are ours. When we take on a client and we take on that representation, we assure the client one thing, that we will be behind them every step of the way, that when we walk in that courtroom, we are the only ones that have that client's interest in mind. Nobody else does. We do, and we're committed to it. My name is Francisco Rodriguez. I'm the managing partner at Castellanos & Rodriguez. Our main office is in Oakland.